Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find breakfast recipes in Aldi application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on the recipes button right there. Then you have to tap all the recipes. And after you have to look for the breakfast option right there. And you will see this. I will go with the muffin with egg or made from eggs. You will see this, how long it takes, what do you need for it, and how you do it. I hope you like this and it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.